join your Facebook Nhyira 104.5 na YouTube nso stream live obetumi adjoin here na ensem ni nyina watumi ehunu ho na watumi ahwe na mesia afem na emehwanwa sanse ye expect say sebe ka udru empanin fie bi su dru mpempensuo bi a etwase no ma bi wo ho a utumi hwe ne yie in fact nkasaye mu ni ade na abantie we minim se what ni din wo MPP wo kasa pa eye kwaku ose kranche asiedu edin a na hotedin edi KOKA na my very very much disappointed was up papa mu bra Facebook Nhyira 104.5 na betie sasem wi me bo achiro na me wi a ne me wo kana maka.
Yes, say, Chano Pamiu, Yenu Niasem, go your way, let's go our way. By going your way, delegate to do what is right. In some or no one can open and I will repeat to us why then, where did you not them? Yakas will be a dinner them. Yakasay will be Akasetiano. Those are the things. Shed your sticker here very soon. See, Kapaka could not be Akasan impotency. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Or because a ma own to me Pebino, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. How do you go to say, Minister of Finance, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia? Now, can't best 10 economists were Ghana. Since they about opposition, what is said? What is said in Crawford a penny and DC one throwing normal my gold board normal. What by going your way, delegates will do what is right. In some or no one can open man and I will repeat to us why then, where did you not them? Yakas will be a dinner them. Yakasay will be Akasetiano. Those are the things. Shed your sticker here very soon. See, Kapaka could not be Akasan impotency. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Or because a ma own to me Pebino, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. How do you go to say, Minister of Finance, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia?
In fact, just say I least expected say Penimua Wadru in FSA Ubers to push so low with such words. And now say and simply say Ube can be just in the name of politics. Now Omedi Kai Aka say you see Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia and Crofua Edine Chinu and Pempi no ya no more than a fra from people like KOKA. A disgrace to the MPP. And Crofua to say KOKA we mono. Omuni or MPP and him guasie. Odo do a chia. And Munyam be any more. San Crofua win. Odo do a chia. So Omuna and campaign him. Wemu any abronyam. Just say, and him guasie and Kuan on the brew. And him guasie and Kuan. Now, how can you say this? Say because Stephen Amuastika. I can say, Nanka Yabebano, Minister of State in charge of Finance. Na Minister of State in charge of Finance na Yade Bemano. And at that screen is no bit me joining a Facebook in Nhyira 104.5. Or say former President Kufuado, no person in a finance minister. Actually, or your interview. Actually, we say on TV3. Send a Minister of State in charge of Finance. But was someone obi ATM I can so penny crumni and wababetna abeye Minister of State in charge of Finance. Sasem when wakai when you be atem or kanasem. And then you have KOKA just in the name of politics. Who feel be so or you impotent. Just ni huni ho enunti u didi nipa natem se ni huni ho o say didi nipa natem because ade a ono no ka say obi na giremu wa mo nipa nimpodin say even at all no refer to Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia mpo a so ne gigiremu ama wono na anya position na no sususu obenya na is that a cause for say ubetumi describe no say oye impotent. Na untimi kura and say ma pende ma untimi. You see, we are making our politics so dirty. Ghana politics are so dirty. Finamway has been even defending Baumia throughout. Bra, you blame Baumia on economy. So now my economy not say any adeno. He had defended Baumia. At the end, politics yet Taisano. Tiestika, the way he spoke about Baumia and defending Baumia, any description now or the airman on the you call your fellow an impotent. Obia no sukrenti means answer mape. Send who say ni. How do you do this? Tiestika.
About the economy 1 year, me your truth. Me understand because me say me economics. Okay. Finance, I'm a financial economist. Yes. My global financial economy model. Not that I'm bragging. Me tiasie pa. Me gaza me tibia ubi ase. Baumia never did anything to destroy the economy.
Ejed tiatuo.
We are saying
can say dia tia na.
Obia o ma dia ho chire. O dia se internet dia. Sa na na bia politics akeka. It is o me kan die. Etinye ono as a person. But the dynamics and circumstantially no.
NPP somebody ono ko biewa muntimi nyi to me no.
Minti because say ya nye kura o but e be that chance am do di anim.
And you see Stika Neka say you and defending Baumia, even though our other side he's been fair in his come on Nidiatem, Oni Obiatem. But listen to what KOKA Eka. Just because Nipana can say Obi Jine Muse Ompene ma won't me may Minister of State in charge of finance in Tino. Ususu se one Baumia, you call him impotent and insulting this man. Sani ye pese ye call your politics in one. Baby, when you need baby, when you need is that what we are supposed to tolerate? Your politics in one. People like KOKA, we only a disgrace to the party. And when a professor from Pom Boate Kaino, and Profobi say they say Mupia Mufri party, and no from fake, because MPP used to be a party of intellectuals. And Tibras the Kaka Wino and Kakoka Isube Kasei Sabe Nankwa de Nimdia any Mudia Kasa at their downplay. Ote said yes the Kaka ne West no at the Faba Umiahu. See at the Nekwa, Ontimi Kasebi Obelu Sukra, na Ontimi, do on support to Baumiakranwa. He spoke decently. But you go ahead calling with fellow say, or you're impotent, or you're just because you support to Baumia. What is this? I don't know my politics yet, Taisa. A dear person called DH Erbano, Womusia, Ewo, party ni muni politics ni mu. KOKA, you are demonstrating political immaturity. Otre say, Unni bebre, Ewa Manyosemu, and yet did you attempt me a dear Manyosem? And he Marben one omko die no. And I said Marben won't mean so open. And Marben one omko die is the kind of omko die ya who send one sorry. Adam ye here hosa. Amanyo 70. Now who KOKA kura who credibility way. KOKA who credibility way. One gospel musician or him mercy or him mercy. Only ne kwa ye adwuma. Ewiase ye usubanti. Usubanti ohima mercy me achieo o me achi usubanti o kasa no kra kire se usubanye Nhyira FM ohima mercy me arrest o and I'm there to screen this no you threaten her life and o me arrest o and you are calling someone impotent e kire wo kopa achew and that screen this no e kire wo kopa achew Adan amanyo semuntia na se etimi kosolo e de hu frafra atachem te se de sebe mpredua so sebe mpredua sa ase ye hu fi se mpreku how sebe baby astika kura nko asua de aduri baby asika gine KOKA I believe se wunya asanka ape. No, who didn't attempt just because we could make a comment that obisi kwa wa bra na nko position bi when ni pakora temu mo yama MPP aye time and some of you people and now Professor from Paul Boateng describe mo as fake because MPP nanti say enti JFK Justin Frimpong kodua o won krofo bi mo letter egu party ni mo enimu ase ema party ni mo nyam ba fam a these are the people on se manfo tretre wo nsa okoka impotence ni manfo obisasa dai okosi royal ladies ni bi pe no mbeka kire wa na on ba bi a wasem na wo candidate kofa on ba bi a wasem na wo keka no ede kofa. And Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia as a leader ye can we say munfo bia se me fa mi hu munfo bia se me fa me ho media me nyo bia hwe. Call them to order. Ede na onkrofo eyi. Time. Estati abronya ye bi we mu ye like adena so utimi didi atemsi. Adena so utimi didi atemsi just because of politics. And rakra de me say hu and say obi fre bi no mu medra. Just a medra any ade. You see these things are stop here. A say party nani munyam. Enra Kennedy say Bawumia liar. And then obi akodro lying king. E de abeto nkontompo hene no de abeto na abante ba ko nso abetwera to se Obama pokuase ono nso se eye medra chese wo twero na asem na wa twero na time aday enti after 31st no after 31st January no enti dia mu ye nyina mbetumi ahwe mu nuane mu animu akasa wo mu in the same party mu betumi ahwe mo yonko animu akasa ne ho ana. That's what I'm asking. Mu say party no at the end of 31st January mu hear everybody on board to go for 2028 party ne say. And some of people like KOKA ne omo akeka no a egu party ne nim nyam ase no de ne hwefem no. These people must be disciplined. It's too bad. This is not the MPP as Professor Frimpong Boateng kind. We know how on earth calling your fellow impotent and describing. Oh, come on. MPP baby adruni airtime. Now KOKA, what credibility now? Modie monyane saa 31st ni betwam etwamu a mo homo no mo beti di obedi ne yonko achi no akonante so obeboa ma party no eteki shape se e ka no kra kire mu a no mo bedi di atem because mo na munim chen obi a keep on insulting. Na se o maame ewu na so wada ade achi obi abefa ne bo ne chensen no akone maame wo ya no akoje wo de Nhyira 104.5 we ye jatwiato
ye kanu se de tie na fa de anim osoro nim Akokoa tenase jatwiato ye kanu se de tie na fa de anim osoro nim Akokoa tenase